Welcome students! In this topic, we will learn to construct and evaluate single V-butt joint on 10 mm thick mild steel plate in flat position by gas metal arc welding process.
At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the plates with beveling using grinding, set the root gap and tack weld, deposit the weld bead, inspect for any surface weld defects. Let's see the tools required for the welding process. Steel rule, ball peen hammer, half round file, tri-square, tongs, chipping hammer, steel wire brush, personal safety equipment, key and spanner, helmet type screen, angle grinder, gas regulator with flow meter, CO2 gas heater, shielding gas hoses, welding power source, wire feeders that ensure constant speed and voltage, supply of electrode wire, welding gun, shielding gas cylinder. Let's see the pre-welding preparation of single V-butt joint on MS 10 mm thick plate in flat position by GWAW process. Cut the MS plate as per the specification. 150 mm length, 50 mm width and 10 mm thickness. Bevel the edges of MS plates to a specified angle. Grind or file a 2 mm root face on each beveled edge. Thoroughly clean the pieces to be joined. Pay particular attention to the top side of the plate, the side walls of the groove and the underside of the joint. Maintain a stick out of 5 to 8 mm, maximum 10 mm. Set a current of 80 to 90 ampere for 0.8 mm dia wire. Set the arc voltage of 18 to 19 volts. Set the gas flow rate between 8 to 10 LPM so as to protect the weld metal from atmospheric contamination. Preset the joint to 183 degrees for 10 mm thick plates to avoid transverse distortion. Set the plates in the position with 2 mm root gap. Tack weld at equal distance. Now let's see the welding process of single V-butt joint on MS 10 mm thick plate in flat position by GWAW. Set the tack welded job on the welding table, maintaining the angle of the torch 5 degrees to 15 degrees towards the direction of travel to get better root penetration. Deposit the root run. It's very important to clean the root run by carbon steel wire brush to avoid any non-metallic inclusions during the second run. For the second run, set the current between 90 to 100 ampere and an arc voltage of 19 to 20 volts. Maintain a slower travel speed for the second run compared to the root run. For the third run, use semicircular side-to-side weaving movement, crescent motion, to achieve full sidewall fusion without any undercuts at either end of the bead. Maintain a dwell time pause of 1 to 2 seconds to get a proper even filling at the end of the toes on either side of the bead. Maintain a proper and even bead profile and a reinforcement of 1 to 1.5 mm. Now let's discuss the caution and inspection of single V-butt joint on a 10 mm plate in flat position by GWAW process. Safety precautions for GWAW. Never install fuses higher than specified. Ensure the electrical connections are tight. Never open the machine when in operation. Maintain good ventilation. Use proper color lenses. Do not see the arc with bare eyes. Wear proper clothing. Wear safety glasses when grinding. Keep combustibles out of the weld area. Always earth the welding machine properly. Check for uniform weld size and shape of joint. Ensure equal leg length. Clean the welded area and inspect the weld for defects. Let's see the defects now. Crack. Spatters. Overlap. Improper fill.
Recap.
In this topic, we have learned to prepare the plates with beveling, set the root cap and tack weld, deposit the root run, second and third run using weaving technique, inspect the weld defects. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye.